now we are gonna create new page. You see, we have this rich page structure, and we would like to place new page under development. So inside navigation, there is this plus icon. We do plus. It is going to be new page, and it will be specific to Sitecore services. So we name it Sitecore. We would like to have it in the navigation. We keep it. No footer, no private page. So let's create a page. It spins, and the page appears. It's empty. It has the structure, the top menu, the footer, all sounds. That's perfect. However, the page is positioned wrongly. It's over here. So we need to move it onto the development. So let's click on this one and drag the page. And it might be the first page under the development. So when we over it, it's over here. That's fine. And we are done with the moving, so we stop that. And because of the page, it's gonna be similar to the websites. Let's do some magic with duplicating the components. So first thing to do is to use this button because we always want to book a session. So we click these three dots and we do duplicate. And it will create the button over here, which is great. And now when we go to three dots again, there is a move section. Let's move the section and we do on Sitecore. It has been moved. That's fine. The other thing we would like to hear is this one, book a free session. Okay. Duplicate. Sorry, I misclicked. Duplicate. Perfect. And move to Sitecore. Move. Sorry. I didn't click it. That's fine. Now it's clicked. It's moved. And I think this button is good to move as well. So duplicate, move section to Sitecore. So by doing so, we created a new page. And look at this, we have some components. The other way we've seen before is to shuffling the component around in positioning. So we do here and move it above. And we would like to add a section in here. And it's gonna be a content section, so which is under general content. And we will find the style. About the Sitecore, what could be appropriate? No, we could do this one. So we have this one, and in next chapter we will rewrite this section. But the page is ready. It has a book session just to see. It calls to the free consultation. That's fine. This one calls the free consultation. Let's just double check. Yeah, that's fine. This book session, free consultation, that's fine. Don't wait, small, big, enjoy, frequent delivery. So we need to rewrite this, but it's our next task. So for now, it's absolutely fine. So what we learned? We learned to create new page. It has been created somewhere at the end of the tree. Then we move the page under the development section. And from the website page, we duplicated some components and moved them across. Obviously, we could do publish, but let's not do it yet because we need to work on the content. And it's our next job, and we will ask ChatGPT to help us with that. Okay, let's stop share and recording.